We are live. What's up, everybody? Hope all is well. Happy New Year. So, you already know this is it, February private mentorship class. Every Tuesday, first of the month, for those that are new that don't know. It's in the secret Instagram highlights, just to let you know. It's a playlist of all updated videos of things that you want to know. This video was requested by Ahmad. Can you talk about more how news, TRUMP, affects the market? So that's what we're going to talk about right now. So I'm going to go over a trade and what happened with a certain news event and how the market reacted to that and how you could read that in the next 4 years of TRUMP and the wild moves that's going to happen. So let's go into it right now. So here it is. Ignore this one. This was just a test trade. Ignore that. So I want to show you something, right, within this chart. Now, this was my entry for the short. My key level, right? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Goes. Sideways action. Nothing really happening. Got out here, right? So if you notice, yes, it went down further. Did not hit the resist support level, sorry. And then I want you to pay attention to the time. It took off at 10:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and it rocket shipped. Why? Naturally? Nah. Let me show you what happened. So what's in the news lately? You already know, tariff, market reaction, etc. So let's go here. I'll drop the link to the site. You'll see the link in the description below. So forget that. Let's keep going. I want you to pay attention to something very key here. Where'd it go? Here we go. 10:39. Wait. Where was the time here? Sorry. 10:21. Okay, cool. Let's go down. Here we go. 10:17. Let's go further. Mexico president due to speak, 9:57. Trump says he'll speak with Trudeau again later today, 10:17. That's right here. You can speak to this. Just spoke to Justin Trudeau. As we wait to hear Mexico president just said that he's spoken with Canadian counterpart, plans to phone him again. Just spoke to Trudeau. We'll speak to him again at 3 p.m. etc. Let's keep going. 10:34 a.m. Breaking news. Mexico says TRUMP is pausing tariffs for 1 month after border agreement. You could read this. I already read it. You could read it. You could pause the video and see what happens. That's 10:34, right? 10:21. Somebody always gets the news before us. Remember, by the time you get the news, it's already too late. But just so you know, 10:34 right here. Breaking news right here, right? It continued a little further, but someone always knows before everybody else. And that big push came in. Why? Because of this breaking news. That's major news. TRUMP is pausing it. The Mexican president is sending troops. It's the whole 9 yards. Good conversation with TRUMP. So the market reacted. 10,000 soldiers, etc., etc. So if you keep going, it just keeps telling you the news, right? That's the Mexican president. So it's right here. I'll drop the link to this one. But it basically goes over live news. Let me go back. Oops. My bad. Let me just go back here. I'll drop this link right here. There you go. And then it gives you minute by minute update. Back to the point. So that's why this took off. Forget that. I knew to get out early because the market was moving sideways. I did the analysis in my mentorship class. I'm not doing that. That's not this class right now. But ultimately, what you want to understand is, here's another short. Boom. What you also want to understand is this. Follow TRUMP's Twitter, X. Have alerts on for him when you're trading. When you're not trading, you can shut the alerts off. You could have alerts for these things because X is quick to get news like this, right? You could set alerts on that. You could YouTube these things, how to set alerts on X. That's not what the video is. This video, this private class, is about deciphering the news and how it will react to it. Stock market news is what you search up, and top stories will show up right here. Like, let's go to Wall Street Journal. It's loading. See, strikes the deal, the whole 9 yards. This is it. So you got to be in tune, not just with the stock market. You got to be in tune with what's happening with TRUMP, tariffs, and anything else he might be pushing. Anything else he might be pushing. So keep your eyes on the markets, and that's how you'll read it. When it comes to FOMC, just lower your position size or don't trade that day, whatever the case may be. If you want another site, if you want this one, here. I know we don't do Forex, but I'm just showing you an example. This has all these folders of news and major events. Red folder, meaning major news. The date, the whole 9 yards. So if you click major news points, major events coming, rate spark, Japan monetary, Asian markets, etc. Trudeau passed this, Japanese, yeah. A lot of this is connected. Here's the hottest stories right now. forexfactory.com/news. It's not just about it's not just about Forex, because everything is connected to everything. You can keep your eye on all this news and how it'll affect ultimately the markets. For example, let me show you. The market gapped down on Sunday. The market gapped down on Sunday, fell, etc., and it went right back and filled up the gap. There's liquidity here, buyers, sellers, etc. It grabbed that liquidity, and now it's coming back down. See this green line, mentorship students for February? I gave you this lecture. See, I told you it was going to come here, and then it came right back down once it filled that gap up. You can only see this on regular candles. Heikin Ashi, you can't see the gap. Regular, you can see the gap. Came right back to the gap. So, point I'm trying to make to you is the fact that the markets react to these things very fast. You have to be quick with the sell button or start setting physical stop losses with TradingView. TradeStation can link. You can just bring that down, and that'll protect you. That'll protect you big time. Maybe this week I'll make a video of it. I think I already have it, but I'll maybe make another one for you guys to help guide you on that one. And that's a wrap. Let me know in the comment section. I got you with the replies. Comment down below. It's not for the algorithm. This is a private video for those things. He's saying it for the algorithm. I could care less. This is for you. So there you go. I'll see you guys on Tuesday, Friday lives, of course, but I'll also see you in the next live on March, the first Tuesday in March. May peace be upon you all. Let's go.